Hi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the LP-R500. Now this unit has a turntable, tape player, radio, CD player and recorder all built into one unit. But there are just a couple of things that we need to do before we actually start using the unit. The most important thing we need to do is to actually loosen the transport screw. Now this is right in the top right hand corner. You need to loosen this off all the way, and this will allow the actual bed of the turntable to float on the suspension. Also, please don't forget to remove the stylus guard, because if you don't remove it and you place the tone arm actually on a record, you could damage your vinyl. Playing a record is very, very simple. All you need to do is lift the tone arm and then move the tone arm across. As you do so, it will automatically start playing the record. And then lower the tone arm and away you go. Also, when the record actually comes to the end of that particular side, it will automatically lift the tone arm, move it back into its rest position and stop the actual record playing. So it's nice, convenient and simple, and you don't have to worry about it. Also built into the LP-R500 is a cassette deck, FM AM tuner and a CD player, CD recorder. Archiving your record collection is really simple. All we need to do is load in a blank CD first of all. Here I've got a blank. Popping it into the LP-R500, close the drawer, and all we have to do now is just to let it recognise that there's a blank disc, and then it'll be ready to go. There's just a simple couple of steps you need to follow for recording a record. Lift the tone arm up, move it across, drop the tone arm down onto the records if we're going to play it. Now the CD recorder is already actually in record pause mode, and that's very simple to do. You just press the record button, and then to start recording you press the play pause button. Now the system's actually recording from the record onto the CDR. So it will run through and record that whole side of the particular record. You just need to make sure that you're there at the end of the record to press stop. Now on this CD I've recorded, there's 3 tracks totaling 3 minutes 47 seconds. This disc now will actually play on this particular unit because this is what it's been recorded on. But there is a high possibility it won't play on a normal CD player somewhere else in the house. So what we need to do is to actually finalise the disc, and this will write a table of contents and all the information a normal CD player needs to play back. So it's very simple. You press the finalise button and then you press the enter button, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now what's actually happening is the system is writing a table of contents to this particular CDR that will give off all the information for other CD players to actually play. The other thing you need to know is once you've finalised a disc, you cannot write any more information to it. That's it, it's done. So if you want to keep adding to a disc until it's completely full, that's fine. You just need to make sure that you finalise it at the end of the process, and the fact that it won't play possibly on another machine until you've done that. And that goes for whether you're recording a piece of vinyl, a tape, something from the radio. It all needs to be finalised. And as you can see on screen, the CD now has a table of contents, and the CD player recognises it as a CD. Recording a tape to a CDR follows the same process as the record. What we need to do first is press play on the tape recorder, and as it's already in record pause mode, we just need to press the play pause button to bring it out of the pause mode, and it will actually start recording. This way you can back up your vintage tape collection on the up-to-date CD. And then once you've finished recording or you've filled up the disc, all you need to do is finalise the disc. Recording the radio is very easy as well. All we need to do is select whether it's AM or FM that you want to record. And then by pressing the record button, this actually puts it into record pause. Then, when you want to start the recording, you just press the play pause button. It really is as simple as that. So if it's something like the proms or the Tea in the Park that you want to record, that's no problem whether it's AM or FM. But please remember to finalise the disc so you can then enjoy that music on another CD player in the house. On the rear we've got connections for an FM and AM antenna, and also there's an auxiliary input and output, so you can connect another device onto your system if you want to. And then finally, not forgetting, the system actually comes with a remote control, so you can actually do this all from your armchair. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on the TEAC LP-R500, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.